So we're going to heel in all of these plants you see in this bed, and a lot of them are small, immature plants.
What you're going to need is a raised bed like this. You can take all your plants, mass them together in an open area, bring in soil or even mulch.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're going to heel in some of our potted plants and we're going to show you how we're going to do that.
But before we get to all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video. Okay, you guys, so we're going to heel in all of these plants you see in this bed, and a lot of them are small, immature plants. These two are ornamental pomegranate that we have not planted yet because we're not sure where to put them. We have a heather that's very immature. We have a bunch of brand new grasses. These are beautiful that we just grew from seed this year. All of these plants need to be protected over the winter, and the best way to do them is to heel them in.
So guys, you might be asking yourself, what is heeling in? What does that mean? And what it means is you want to protect your plants over the winter, and you don't want to actually physically plant them in the ground yet, because like Allison said, we don't know where we want to plant these yet. Maybe you're running into the same thing. Well, what we can do is we can actually take the plants in their pots and stick the whole pot with the plant in it down below this soil surface to protect those roots so they're not exposed to this cold air that we have right now and that we're really going to get over this winter. You probably haven't thought about it in this way, but the plants are above the ground. Their roots are above the ground. The whole plant is not even in the ground. So that means everything in this pot at this point is exposed, including the plant's roots, to cold or extreme temperatures. And that can be a real problem if you have really extremely cold temperatures where you live. You want to actually protect those roots because in a natural situation, the plant's roots are below the ground surface. They're already insulated, but right now they're not. So that's what we're going to do, and that's what heeling in really is. So to heel in your plants, what you're going to need is a raised bed like this. And if you don't have a raised bed full of soil already, what you can do is you can take all your plants, mass them together in an open area, bring in soil or even mulch. Mulch is great for this. And basically what you do is you put all your plants together in a group, bring the mulch around it and mulch up. Bring the mulch up from the sides to the top of the plant, like right about here to the top of the pot of the plant. And what you're doing is you're creating the same thing that we're gonna do today when we bury these in the ground, is you're insulating those roots. But what we're gonna do for this is, because we have this raised bed and we're not doing anything with it, we're gonna take these potted plants and we're gonna actually put them down in individual holes down in the ground. And I'll show you real quick what we're gonna do here. All we're gonna do is just make a hole. Oop, there's a potato. Oh. We're just going to make a hole. We're going to set the pot down into the ground here, and we're not going to bury the whole pot. We're going to leave the rim of the pot above the grade of the soil so we can find it, for one, and two, we're not burying the plant either. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to fill the hole back in now around that pot. And this is actually insulating those plant roots from the cold temperatures, from frost. So this is really going to help the plant stay healthy and overwinter. So with that, we're going to get started and get these all in the ground here and get them heeled in.
So we're happy we got these all healed in and protected for the winter, and we're ready to go.
To give our plants some more insulation, we're going to take a little bit of mulch and add it over the top of the soil, just so we have that insulation under control and the plants are truly protected over this winter.
And then what we can do is plant them next spring in their proper homes.
So leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And you guys, we'll be back tomorrow with our Wednesday night live at 5 p.m. Pacific. We're going to be talking about scary Halloween plants.
Oh my gosh, scary plants.
So come on back and check that out, or watch it on the replay.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.